guys, TavHD here and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a video test of this camera, which is the Panasonic FZ82, also known as the FZ80 in other regions. So all the following clips were taken outside on a sunny but quite windy day. It's also worth mentioning that I used this Manfrotto compact monopod for all of the shots. And if you're interested in seeing an unboxing of this camera, there is one on my channel somewhere and I will link it in the description. But for now, let's take a look at these videos. And I should also say that these clips where you're looking at the camera were filmed on my iPhone 8 Plus in 4K at 30 frames per second. And the entire video will be exported at that resolution and frames per second for the best possible video quality out of this camera. Now the next clip you're going to see has the feature called Eye Zoom turned on that lets you zoom in even further than the 60 times zoom that is already available. So what we can do is we can just look through the menus here in the video settings, and if we go down we can find Eye Zoom there, and then for this next clip that was turned on. So thank you for watching this video test about the Panasonic Lumix FZ82, and hopefully it has helped you make up your mind on whether this camera is for you. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.